Here we are, folks, my 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 automatic. 4-month restoration, just completed, with about 100 test miles on the car. I got over 55,000 in the car on the restoration. It is a show quality black paint job. As you can see, their mirror finish reflection on it. This car has all original sheet metal, no Bondo on the car, and everything is brand new on the car. Every nut and bolt, from the paint, emblems, grille, bezels, chrome bumpers, brand new American racing wheels, brand new tires, emblems, door handles, top, brand new interior from the carpet all the way up to the convertible black top. Rear bumper is all new. Those rear lights are new, emblems, all the trim. I do have the boot for the car, a black boot, which is in the trunk. Here, I'll show you the trunk. Opens perfectly. The trunk underneath here has the detonator. Keep the sound real quiet throughout the inside of the vehicle. There's the convertible boot for it. No issues with the car. Look how it closes. Excellent. Look at that reflection. Take it to a car show, win awards, drive it, and wait till you see the engine. And I got a little surprise for you Pontiac guys. Here is the brand new interior, back seat, seat belts, front buckets, center console, automatic shifter, gauges, dash pad, sun visors, door sill plates, carpet. Door panels are perfect on the car. Shows 44,231 miles. And yes, it does have the Sniper EFI fuel injected system. Brand new steering wheel, all new brand interior. All the door jambs were done professionally as well. Look how it closes. Excellent. 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 Okay, so here we are. Again, this Pontiac Firebird is a rotisserie restoration. I'll try to, show you underneath this thing the best that I could. But all fuel lines, braking lines, gas tank, I mean, everything is all redone. See if you can see anything underneath here. I don't have a lift, here at the shop, but this thing is pristine underneath, just like the exterior of the vehicle. There's underneath there. And then we'll go on the passenger side so you guys can see. Just a beautiful restoration, just completed 2019. And then we'll go for a little drive. Okay, here we are. We're going to start up this 400 engine. And like I said earlier, it does have the Sniper EFI fuel injection system. So basically you just got to turn the key a quarter way and wait for the screen to turn on. And once the fuel pressure kicks in, like right about now, you'd be able to start the car. And again, you don't have to hit the gas pedal or anything. Just turn the key. And here we are, 400 cubic inch Pontiac motor. There's your Sniper EFI system. There's your power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum fan, upper and lower tubular control arms, and you can see the beautiful restoration. And now we'll circle to the back of the car so you guys can really hear this thing. Doesn't that sound good? Beautiful. So guys, if you want one of the nicest 68 Firebirds convertible, you guys got to give me a call. And now we'll go for a little test drive. Okay, well after that ride, I'm going to recap this 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Again, rotisserie restored, completed 2019. Beautiful black quality, show quality paint. A 400 cubic inch Sniper EFI fuel injection system, power steering, power brakes. Everything works on the car, and I'll do a quick walk around. All the interior is brand new, new wheels, tires. Beautiful trunk. It's been dyno-matted underneath. Actually, the whole car has been. So if you're looking for a 68 Pontiac Firebird convertible, this is probably the nicest one on the planet for the money I'm asking. Give me a call, 847-848-1850, or you can text me as well. If you guys are looking for financing, I can get you financed in a quick period of time, 15 minutes. You would go to lightstream.com, fill out the application, and in 15 minutes you would get a total, a breakdown of your options, your rates, whatever you want to choose. And if you need delivery wherever you're at, just send me your zip code, give me a call. Would like to talk to you. Full disclosure on all my cars, and I can give you a quote to transport this beautiful car to your doorstep. Again, 1968 Pontiac Firebird, full rotisserie, ready for a new home. Thanks for watching.